Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. The Google account and phone number must match the backup, and WhatsApp needs permissions. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap Agree and Continue. Make sure your device is on stable Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery. This prevents mid-restore failures. When prompted, choose to restore from Google Drive. You're starting the transfer now, so stay connected and wait for the initial database download to complete before proceeding. Now watch the restore process closely. WhatsApp pulls messages from the downloaded database first, then queues media for later. When you tap Restore, the app decrypts and integrates messages into the local database. This is why you might see chats appear before images. Make sure you keep the app open and avoid switching accounts. If media is large, expect additional time. Media resumes over Wi-Fi automatically, so let it finish for complete chat history. To finish, tap Next when message restore completes and allow WhatsApp to continue downloading media in the background. If you don't see a backup, make sure you signed into the exact Google account and use the same phone number. Check the backup date in Google Drive settings. Once confirmed, you can retry. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall WhatsApp only after verifying the backup exists to avoid losing local data. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.